Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Let's find Lightning McQueen in the pool. Let's go. Wow, Smokey.
Cruz, get your head in the race.
No, wait. Tell her she's on a beach and all the little crabbies have gone night-night.
No, I ain't saying that. You tell her.
Wow, Floyd. Yeah.
I never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
Wow, Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.
It's just like being on a real track, so put your hours in. Okay, let's hit the treadmills. Come on, show me what you got.
Wow, pretty fast. Who's the racer?
No. She's not a racer. She's a trade.
Wow. Oh, it's Fillmore. Yeah, Fillmore. Wow, it's Ramon. Yeah.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Wow, Francesco. Yeah. Wow.
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco likes this Mcqueen.
Wow, Jackson Storm. Yeah.
Wait, who was that?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Wow, Carol. Yeah. Wow, thông mây đời.
Huh. Well, that's weird.
Wow, Azeroth. Yeah.
What? Me? You got to be crazy.
Wow, Holley. Yeah.
Chắc bữa ăn thịt bò, ăn tôm rồi đó.
Wow, Dinoco, LightningMcQueen.
Speed. I am speed. One winner, 42 losers. I'm faster than...
Wow, yeah, Hudson Hornet. Yeah. Wow, it's Lizzie. Yeah.
The only guy strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the gal left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing...
Wow, Lightning McQueen. Wow. Wow, ChickHick said, yeah. Wow, Sally, yeah. Wow, cold weather, yeah.
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great news. I was, hey, Tito. Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Wow, Luigi, yeah.
Black wall tires, they blend into the pavement. But these white wall tires, they say, look at me, here I am, love me.
Wow, Lightning McQueen. Wow, Sheriff, wow.
I tell you, dude.
Oh, no. Oh, maybe he can help me. He's shooting at me. Why is he shooting at me?
I haven't gone this fast in years.
Wow, Dinoco King, yeah.
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last piston?